In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign and remove user locations and roles. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Users. From the list of users to the left, select the user you would like to assign locations and roles to. Right now, Gail does not have any locations assigned to her. To add a location, click Add. There are two different ways I can assign locations to Gail. First, I can select an individual or multiple locations. If I click After Hours and hold Control, I can also click, let's say, Coffee Shop C. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these locations, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now those locations have been added. To add locations by folder, click Add again, then choose the arrow next to Select. Now I can choose a folder, and all of the locations contained in that folder will be assigned to Gail. Maybe I'll choose Main Campus. Notice that now the main campus locations will be highlighted. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these locations, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now if I scroll down, all of those locations have been added. Let's say I added After Hours by mistake, and Gail no longer needs access there. I can choose Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to remove this location from this user. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that location has been removed. I can do something similar to assign Gail roles. To assign her an enterprise level roles, click on the Enterprise button. And I can choose between Enterprise, Employee, or Full Access. Maybe I'll give Gail full access. So I'll click right here. If you changed your mind and you don't want to assign this role to Gail, choose Close. I do, so I will select Save. And now that role has been added to Gail. To add a location role, click the Location button. First, select the location role. Maybe I'll choose Full Scheduler. Then select the location. I could choose a specific location or any. I'll choose any. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this role to Gail, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now Full Scheduler at any location has been added to this user. Let's say she no longer needs enterprise level permissions. I can choose Remove next to Full Access. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to remove this role from Gail. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that role has been removed. That's how you can assign and remove locations and roles from organization users in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete users.